Hello hobby gardeners, farmers and DIY lovers, it's your boy I.am.Will, and today I'm going to show you how to dismantle a pallet. It's quite easy, but all you need is a little bit of upper body strength, a hammer, and I'll show you the rest. Let's go. So here we are, so easy peasy. As you can see, it's all done. A bit of upper body strength, hammer, and you're done. Thank you for watching. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Also like, share, comment, and hit the notification button to get new updates. See you in the next video. Until then, I am Will, and I am out.